What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from the United States of America. Just arrived a couple days ago. I filled everybody in my Bitcoin video, so you can check it out. You can also follow me on IG if you want to keep up with my travels and my personal life. But that's not what's important. We're going to go over our friend Matic, Polygon. Currently we're sitting at $1.50. We're down about 1.8 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 11.24 billion. 24-hour volume, 891 million. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into Matic. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So beautiful bounce, guys. Bullish divergence. You can see here we're creating lower lows. We had this large drop when Russia invaded, and we had a beautiful bullish divergence, and we popped right back up. We are back towards the top section on the money flow, so do keep an eye on that. Little bit of pattern to watch here, a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. We have our left shoulder, we have our head. So if you see it start to come down, do a little something like this, consolidate, start to push back up, we could be creating a beautiful right shoulder. Doesn't necessarily have to be that large, but it can be, guys. That's what she said. So immature. All right, guys, so you measure from the bottom of your pattern all the way up to the top, pull it out, and it could take Matic all the way back up if it breaks the neckline to $2.02. So just something to keep an eye on for our friend Matic. So if we pop over to our next chart here, which is on the daily, look at these beautiful divergences on the daily. We created a lower low, we created a higher low on the MACD, on the money flow, and on the RSI on the daily. Now, these bullish divergences on the daily, they can take time to play out. If you look at the one we had with Bitcoin over July, over the course of the summer when it was bottoming out, it did take a while to play out, but this is a bullish indication that the bears are losing strength on the daily time frame. So if we were to push up from here, guys, we create a beautiful double bottom pattern. If we come up and break this neckline, that's an even larger pattern to watch for Matic. I'm just going to quickly move my tools back up here and grab my trend line. All right, guys, you measure from the bottom, you take it to your point of breakout, and that would be an absolutely juicy breakout and would take you all the way up to the 2 extension, coming in at $3.38 with our Fibonacci pull from this swing high down to the swing low, guys. So do keep an eye on that. If we push up to 207, could be an absolutely beautiful breakout. Bullish divergence, our indicators are in the floor, which is also an early sign of a bounce. Now, if we were to lose this low, guys, I will give you your next major level of support here, and it's coming in. Let me just drop in a line for you guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. It's coming in here at about, let me give a little price target, $1.03. See the support in this area, support here as well. So that would be your next major level of support. If we break this low, coming in at about $1.40, that is quite a significant drop here. Let me just measure it real quick. About a 26% drop. Of course, it could find support here at about $1.20 as well, $1.17, $1.18. All right, let's pop over to our friend Ethereum. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if you do see us start to come up and attack this neckline, could be a beautiful breakout that would take Ethereum all the way back up to about 4.8K. We did reach the top on the RSI as well as the money flow, and that's where you're seeing this consolidation right now. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame, see what we can see here on the 1 hour. So this is not too bad, guys. You can see here we're just consolidating. We're allowing the money flow to come back down to the bottom section. So unless we see a bit of a swift drop here, what will happen is the money flow will come back down, and then it will start to push back up, and that can push the price back up as well for Ethereum. Let's pop over to our next chart on the daily time frame. So we are still in this descending channel here. We had a bit of a bearish fake out. We threw back up into the pattern, and our money flow once again is in the floor just as it was right here. We saw a beautiful push back to the upside. We're just testing the 20 EMA right now, so if we can get back above it, we can see a breakout back to the upside for ETH. Your next strong level of support, if we lose this low, guys, wow, there's really not much support until the summer lows. We'll drop in a line, give it a little price tag as well for Ethereum, which is coming in here. Oh, sorry, guys. Coming in at about 1774. If we look on the weekly time frame, we do have that bearish divergence. We're creating higher highs, lower highs, but a bullish signal, in my opinion, is the money flow has come all the way back down to the bottom section, and we're getting pretty close to oversold on the RSI, and that is usually when you see a bounce, just as we did here. Oversold, massive bounce back to the upside. We came down once again, very close to oversold, bounce back to the upside. So we definitely could break out from this level, guys. If we start to break out, we start to get back above this level of resistance, 2957 from our descending channel, then you're in the technical target to the upside of 4993. And of course, we're still looking for that wave 5 in this bull run, and that target is from the Fibonacci pull from the swing high in May to the crash low, the 1.618 coming in at 8202. But that doesn't mean it's going to happen. Of course, we can break down lower, or we could see that dead cat bounce scenario, which would give us more bear market confirmation, as we would be following bear market structure as we did here. You can see here we came down, we had our dead cat bounce, we rolled over and entered into our bear market. So we're still looking for that bear market structure. But as of right now, guys, we threw back up into this channel. We are kind of creating a double bottom here on the daily, as well as our indicators are in the floor. So if we break this level of resistance, we get back above the EMAs, we could definitely see a beautiful push back to the upside. And the bearish scenario, we lose this level of support and we come all the way back down to 1774. But I have a little bit more bias to the upside right now, just due to the fact of the DXY, the Dow Jones, and the S&P. As I showed you guys in my Bitcoin video, you can check it out. They are flashing bullish for Bitcoin, which of course pulls the market with it, as well as we have a beautiful bullish divergence for our friend Matic on the daily indicators. So hopefully we do see a nice push back to the upside, as our next strong level of support is coming all the way back down at about $1.03. What you want to see is we get back above the golden ratio, which is coming in at about $1.72, and then we can see a nice push come back up to where we started, about 207, break out and head up to the 1.618 coming in at 286. Technical target $3.45, but we do have to take it day by day. We have broken down from this ascending channel, so we're still in technical targets to the downside as well, guys. And with our dollar cost average strategy, we have had 4 entries, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time, with a break even sitting at 172. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your trades, or you are looking for entry and exit positions. Not financial advice, just for reference. $350 USD. Sign up through the Patreon link. You can follow me on IG if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.